Good morning. Yeah, at least on this side of the camera it is a very good morning. What a beautiful scenery that I have seen already and shared with you of the Gothenburg archipelago. Do you like it? Oh, please let me know by hitting the thumbs up now already. Oh, beautiful. So, I am facing the Björko Isle with something like a village. I think it is a village called Hövedet. And then over here we have a small, very small isle. It's called Ormo, if I pronounce it correctly. And if I face east, then we have a fjord of the Nordre Älv. It is a river. And that river, if you go onto that river, it comes on a crossing with Göta, the Göta river, and that goes to Gothenburg. And that is the destination of today. So, care to join? Come on then, let's go! Oh, by the way, I think it was somewhere in 2023 that social media presented me pictures of boaters who cruised in the Gothenburg archipelago in Sweden. And when I saw that, I was in awe. So in summer of 2024, I decided to go and check out those surroundings myself. This video is a part of a series in which I share my trip to this Gothenburg archipelago and back to the Netherlands. And the series shows you my trip through Germany, Denmark and Sweden. And every day that I cruised during this trip results in at least one video. So chances are that I am physically already back in the Netherlands, whilst I still share the new horizons and surroundings of this archipelago. But hey, that is why a video like this is called entertainment. So let me know in the comments what you think about it. We even have a ferry over here, almost as large as we saw between the other isles. Oh, it's a cable ferry. Ah. I must say that I really like the scenery over here. So just picking this river, yeah, adds to the extra exploring horizons and surroundings. there is something I am curious what it is. I see a sailboat on one side. What is it that I am looking at? My pilot does not tell me anything about it. So we will go closer and then read the signs. But yeah, I do see red lights blinking. Oh man, I am so happy I made a phone call to these guys, because they said I will create a path for you. So, if you ask me, wait for the green light. Thank you. It is the Ormo skermanlegging. Perhaps I pronounce it wrong, but I can create a path for you. Ah, very nice, very nice, very nice. And then, all of a sudden, the moment that you are at a bridge which is charted at 520 water to deck height, whew, the battery of my camera said empty. We had 10 centimeters left. Something like that. Well, you are familiar with that size, I suppose. We are almost at the Trollhättekanal Göta Älv. Almost, almost, almost. I told you about the Selene vessel. The moment that I had my lines ready, I went out to knock on the hull. The guy was in the cockpit, and I said, I must compliment you on your boat. Wow, what a beautiful vessel. And then he said, I am Klaus, I'm heading to grab a beer. Would you care to join? So, 1 hour later, I met his wife, Karen, and I heard the story about this beautiful Selene. Thank you for joining me in this trip, in this video, on this special river drive from the anchorage all the way to Gothenburg. I hope you liked it. If you do, please give me this world famous thumbs up. And how about this? Do I see you in the next video? Alright then. Bye-bye.